Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please, if this is your first time of watching, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw your brows, and because I'm nice, yes, I am very nice, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a natural looking brow and then a very bold brow. For some people, they might like their brows looking very natural, and some people might like to go really bold with their brows. So on this eye, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a very natural brow, and then on this eye, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a bold-like looking brow. Concealer of your shade, possibly your shade, because you really want it to be very natural. So I'm going in with Elegant Pro Concealer in Almond, and of course an angle brush to line your brows, a brow pencil. You can see very sharp, you need it to be very sharp, and of course you need a spoolie. I'm setting my brows with my powder. And then make sure I blend out the powder very well. Going in with my pencil, remember you should be drawing directly under your brow bone. And you want to go in as lightly as possible. Blend that line out using your spoolie. Get again directly over your brow line. And then shading very lightly. If possible, if you have full hairs like I do, you can just keep that part and just use your spoolie to comb your hairs out, and then fill in the parts that do not have hairs. And then comb everything out. Voila! You can actually leave it like this if you want. You can actually leave it like this if you want, or you can go in with your concealer. This is my Elegant concealer in Almond shade that I'll be using for my brows. So I have just a small portion of my concealer on my brow brush, and I'm just going to conceal my brows with it. I'm just going to use a blend brush so you can go over it. And voila, there you have your perfect natural looking brows. Because it's a natural brow, I don't want to go over it and conceal the top of my brows. That was why when I was drawing it, I made sure I made a straight line so I would not have to go over it with a concealer, because no matter the shade of concealer you'll be using, except you can really blend it out like perfectly, you would still have that feel of a concealer being on the top, and it will defeat the purpose of creating a natural brows. So I don't like concealing the top of my brows. I'm just going to leave it like this. I hope you can see it. So this is the natural brows. I'll just go over and show you how to draw a more bold-like looking brows at this other side of my. So for this brow, what I'll be needing is, I'll be needing again my brow pencil, my concealer brush, elegant concealer, but this time I'm not using Almond, I'm using medium beige, and then I would also be needing my brow gel. This is Sephora brow gel. So this is what I'll be using for this other brow. So like I did for the first one, I'm just going to brush this one out first, and then I'll make an outline with my brow pencil. And since it's not a natural brow, I can actually go on shading as much as I want to shade. But all the same, I'm still going to brush that out. So now I'm going to go in with my Sephora brow gel. It is quite dark. They have lighter shades, but this is a bold brow, remember. So I'm just going to brush my brows with it. As you can see, this is already looking bolder than this one. You can see the difference, I suppose. This is already looking very bold, very thick, so unnatural. The concealer in medium beige. Now I have some of my concealer in medium beige, and I'm just going to underline the bottom of my eyebrow with it. So I'm going to go in now with the blending brush, and I'll just blend everything out. So this is it, guys. I hope you can see the difference between the two brows. So this is my bold looking brow and this is my very natural looking. Guys, this is the final outcome of the brows. I hope you can see. So let me know, guys, which type of brow you actually prefer in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe if this is your first time watching, and also give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in the next video.